evaluate. It is evaluate. That is 0, boundary 0 to 1. 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. dx plus 1 plus dx. Now is, how can we write this? We can write, that is limit h tends to 0, that is equal to h, we should write here f0 plus h plus f0 plus 2h 0 plus 2h, and this f0 plus f, that is f into, we can write 0 plus n minus 1 into h, 1 2 3 2 minus h into second bracket close, then this f0 plus h, f0 plus 2h, then this f0 plus n minus 1 into h. This is equal to, and here I have to write, here I am going to write some term, this equal to, here a equal to 0. What is b? b equal to 1. What is nh? nh equal to, n is equal to 1 minus 0 equal to 1. n minus 0 equal to 1. Then we can write, what? This is equal to, we can write limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, that is equal to 1, f is equal to 0 0 0, that is equal to h into 1, h into 1. Thereafter we will get plus what? h. So 1 plus 3h square 2h plus 1, 3h square plus 2h plus 1. Thereafter we will get what? What we will get here? That is equal to 3 into 2 square a square, 3 into 2 square into 2 square a square, 3 into 2 square a square plus 2 into 2h into 1, 2 into 2h plus 1, and at the end of this we can write what? That is equal to 3. What is 3? n minus 1 whole square, 3 into n minus 1 whole square into h square into 2 into 2 into n minus 1 into h, 2 into n minus 1 into h, and then 1, and we are writing this equal to 1. Now we are arranging. How we are arranging here? We are arranging, this is equal to, we can write limit h tends to 0. H tends to 0, and we can write it here h. Then we are getting 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. N times of 1, you can n into 1. Then n times of 1, and thereafter we can make a 2 series. How? First one, we are taking 3a square common from everywhere. 3a square we are taking common from everywhere. Then we are getting 3 square, 3h square, and we are getting what? We are getting